show you a little bit of the busy life in Kuta, Tuban, and in Bali in general, on the big roads. Check this out, what's going on here? Definitely much more life today. Whoa, check this out. The restaurants here in Kuta still remains fully closed. Nothing that much has changed here, but today I'm gonna drive a little bit around Kuta Tuban area. We will see what day is gonna bring to me today. Last time I used to walk here, but today decide to drive. It's very hot. It's extremely hot nowadays in Bali, and I also wanna go into direction of Bali airport, because so many people talking about Bali airport nowadays. So we will see. This is meanwhile the area of Discovery Mall and Discovery Plaza Hotel. Everything remains pretty the same. Some time ago somebody asked me for Catholic Church. Catholic Church is at the front, just at the front also of the Lipo Mall in Kuta, but the church is somewhere here where you see these towers. That's the church. Yeah, just interesting fact. And this is more likely Tuban already in Kuta. Very local area, so very important people driving also around. So many also small hotels here, mostly 3-4 star hotels and stuff like this. So somebody making pictures here also. This vlog is more likely from Tuban, dedicated for people who are familiar with Tuban, South Kuta area. This is the small road going to the airport, to the back side of the airport actually. Also we will see how's the life looks here. There are some army houses here, and yeah, this is more likely local vibes here. Kuta Tuban, but more likely local. Not so many commercial things here, so many local warungs, stuff like this. But also you can find a money changer, and somewhere here close by is some hotel, like an airport hotel vibes. We will see. This is more likely a memorial little stroll drive for many of you who are missing the area, familiar with the area. Or here somebody have a nice big house here, villa. Here is the Harris Airport. I mean Tuban, but very close to the airport, because obviously here is already the Bali International Airport. But from the backside area where parking for the motorbikes. But here there is the main street, zones, billboards also. Will be the gates. Even the billboards in the airport are empty space, available for rent. So that means something. Pretty strange view. Here's the entrance to the entrance and exit from the airport. As you see, maybe the sign, Bali International Airport. Obviously this is the main road. Have to drive a little bit faster. I cannot do it too slow. But well, this is like you are sitting with me, next to me, and we are you just arrived to the Bali airport, to Bali, and you are going with me to Kuta somewhere, to your favorite hotel. Pretty the same feeling, like you're sitting next to me. Here is also somewhere the Hilton Hotel, City Hotel, actually airport hotel. And this is all belongs to the airport on the right. You know, like a cargo and stuff like this. It's quite many police and army cars here. I think there are some officials today come to Bali, serious thing. Just at the front of this famous Taman Satria statue of the horses and gods. Wherever you enter to Bali, you must see this. This is very epic and characteristic for Bali environment. If I already showed you the Catholic Church, I will show you also the mosque I think Moscow. Also, it's here just next to the big roundabout in, well, Nura Raid roundabout. A few years ago there was just the junction, now it's the huge roundabout. If you didn't been in Bali since 2017, maybe you don't know about that. And this is the main street going to Kuta right now, the bypass, main big road. It's changed a lot here, especially if, like I said, you didn't been in Bali since 2017. The infrastructure next to the airports changed quite a lot, and this is already the big road heading to Kuta. Also, it's not that really busy, I could say. Well, like this is like a big city life here, I could say. This is Kuta Tuban. There is the Mercedes showroom. Basically, in Bali you can buy also Mercedes, BMW cars, and also other German cars in Java, Jakarta mostly, because, well, there's so many Porsche in Bali, but I never saw the showroom. I think it's only in Jakarta. If you would like to buy the Porsche. But Mercedes, BMW, yes, Mercedes here, and BMW in Denpasar. Gatsu, of course, this is not promoting their brands. However, I know some people like to have a premium luxury stuff here in Bali, including the foreigners and many local especially also. So why not? It's possible, it's really possible. And that's how it looks, the main road heading from airport, or basically you can go from Uluwatu, from Jimbaran also by this way going to Kuta. Here will be the area of Starbucks and some Ole Ole shops. Here is the one new Ole Ole shop. Yeah, the name like this, quite hard name. Here is the McDonald's on the other side. Here is the Starbucks, and this building on the right where I'm facing now, this is the Krishna Ole Ole. I talk about Krishna Ole Ole, and also many of you ask me about Krishna Ole Ole. Is it open or is it closed? Krishna Ole Ole, oh damn truck. Krishna Ole Ole is open, and seems like it's quite many cars inside. Local domestic people really love shopping in Krishna Ole Ole. Obviously Ole Ole is something like culture. When you are coming to Bali from different islands of Indonesia or abroad, you should bring some gifts to your family, which is called Ole Ole. Usually there are some coffee, sweets, or some merchandises. And here on the left, on the right, there are many shops. Like, would you like to buy Oakley, Quicksilver, Nikes, any sports brands? Everything is here. They have a huge sales. I also wanna go on today buy some t-shirts because obviously if you're a foreigner and you have a big size like me, it's quite hard to buy you local clothes, and also the quality is much better. And especially if you're gonna buy the old collection, which is 50% sale, it's a real 50% sale, not like in my country, for example, when they say it's sale but it's not. It's actually good value and good quality. Yeah, we're gonna go down here. Have to be careful. This junction is very tricky, and here on the right is Bali Mall Galleria, the entrance, and also this road here is a little bit renovated right now. They do renovation last year when there was the lockdown, so looks pretty nice and pretty fresh. And over East Court, like I said, there are some officials in Bali today. Going into little tunnel. It's very little tunnel, and that's how it looks like. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Sunset Road today. Well, also many of you have good memories of the Sunset Road. In Sunset Road is so many city hotels, like here Golden Tulip, and later in the forward is the Swiss Bell, Seminyak Sands, stuff like this, hotels like this. They have a lot of promos nowadays. The promos, like you can stay monthly. They are mostly monthly promos, as you can stay per month and paying 3.5 million per month, including the of course the access to gym, to the swimming pool, once a week cleaning. Unfortunately no breakfast during including this price, because that's already very
very cheap. Anyway, here is the Siloam Hospital. Loads of stories about this hospital. Basically, this is very good hospital, but it's super extremely expensive, and yeah, that's why so many stories about this hospital. Obviously, it's a lot of empty land also on the left, on the right, and here we go. Here we have also the Carrefour. Many of you are familiar with this shop, and that's how it looks like live in Sunset Road. Also, this road is called Sunset Road. This is little bit inspiration from the Sunset Boulevard from Los Angeles or from San Francisco. I'm confused now. It's 3-lane road, one of the biggest, widest road in Bali, and also the palm trees, that's not coconut trees, that's actually the real palm trees on the middle, on the center. So that's how it looks like. Also Commonwealth here for everyone who are interested. However, it's very sunny, so I need to change the position. Also here on this street in Kuta, it's actually huge street in Kuta. So many restaurants and also hotels around. Also the traffic like this. Well, what I can say, he just put his hand and he can go. That's what it is. Driving in Bali or in Indonesia is like this. Somebody have a Lexus here also. Like I said, many big restaurants here on the left, on the right, and also this area of Kuta is little bit I don't know what should I say. Seems like little bit forgotten, because seems like it's actually quiet here. But yeah, there was the Red Dragon Ramen and many stuff like this. Obviously, heading now. If we're gonna go now straight, okay, I will show you. There is the Kuta Central parking. I used to make a vlog there talking about the IKEA some time ago. So I'm gonna show you a little bit the entrance from the other perspective. Just have to be careful how's the people driving here. They driving really sometimes unexpected. Here also everywhere they are tasting facilities for the you know what, you read it right. And here is like this, and Kuta Central Park here. Also, like I said, I make a vlog about Kuta Central Park, so if you're interested more about that exploration and few important informations, you can watch. That was the about 2 weeks ago, something like that. Meanwhile, the quite old place with the very nice architecture. He was the Prudenta a long time ago. I don't know if that's just the memories, and they only left the sign. Oh, big speed bump. Some also local brands of the restaurants, and this is already the central parking. And also here somewhere, I don't know, forgot, there will be the IKEA. Okay, if I'm already here, there are cars, there is the little traffic, there will be the IKEA. Just if you are interested and you missed somehow my previous vlog from this this area, this building here with the under the construction, over here right now, this is gonna be the IKEA, and seems like they're gonna open shortly. However, they put Mr. DEI sign. I don't know why, but that's how it looks like. Just been in one of these big shops, as you see, quite busy. Inside no aircon, super hot. Didn't buy anything because nothing to match me and my sizes anyway, so doesn't look that much optimistic. Anyway, that's it. It was today's vlog, today's live. I hope so you enjoyed, and as always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.